welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing my very first unboxing ever in my life. No, not ever in my life, but I mean like my first unboxing video. And I'm so excited because I just got SB19 merch. So I went to Lazada because I found out that they have merch in Lazada, and I ordered myself their CD, their light stick. Well, you guys will see what I ordered. And guys, it's here. It's finally here. It actually just took 2 days to ship. I ordered Sunday night, if I'm not mistaken. I got it Tuesday, so it's Tuesday today. I ordered, well, when this video comes out, it's probably 2 weeks after. But I'm so excited to open and I'm so excited to unbox, and I wanted to share with you guys my unboxing of SB19 merch. So I guess I am now officially 18 because I did vote for them for the Billboard Music Awards, and now I bought merch. I'm really happy. You guys have no idea how happy I am. And I'm really just excited. If you know me, I love merchandise. Like, I have my Rak Of Aegis pillow over there, which was actually given to us by the by PETA, if I'm not mistaken. Was it given by PETA? Yes, and whenever I do a show, I always buy at least one merchandise. Probably like the souvenir program. If the souvenir program isn't given to us, I would normally buy. But usually, if you're part of the cast, you get your souvenir program. Actually, whenever I watch a show, I think I always get souvenir programs. I always buy souvenir programs. At least souvenir programs. If there are other merchandise that I really like for example, I'm a huge fan of Lion King. That's actually my dream show. It's my dream show. I bought the mug because that was the cheapest then. I wanted to buy Zazu, but I couldn't afford Zazu. So I really just love merchandise. I usually buy mugs. So I have my rep mug, my Rak. Well, for Rak Of Aegis, we would get mugs for free for the prod because we use the mugs backstage to drink water. So yeah, I like collecting mugs. What else do I collect? Pins. I collect pins and magnets. It's basically stuff that are merchandise from shows I usually buy. But yes, I have my very first boy band merch. Yeah, I never bought boy band merch. This is the very first time I bought merch. And I'm really excited to share my unboxing experience with you guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Abby Sulit. I'm a freelance theater actress from the Philippines and currently an online vocal coach and voice teacher. This channel is all about #smart singing and helping you become the best performer that you can be. So if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. I would love for you to be part of the family. So because this is still, you know, theater and music, like this YouTube channel is all about that. While I unbox, I'm gonna share with you guys, I guess, my theater experience. Let me share. I'll be talking about Rak Of Aegis because Rak Of Aegis will be streamed soon. Anyway, I'm so excited to open. So while I open, I will be sharing my Rak Of Aegis experience to some of you who don't know my Rak Of Aegis experience. Theater experience. So some of you may know that I am part of Rak Of Aegis as Velma. I alternate with Jimby De La Cruz and Mnor. Madami sila. Is that how you say your name, Mnor? Your surname? I think so, yes. And it will be streamed very soon. For tickets, please check out PETA, the Facebook page. Oh my gosh, it's shaking my table. Sorry. Please check out the Facebook page of PETA. Tickets are there. It will be streamed very soon. Sad to say, I am not in the video that will be streaming. It will be my alternate, Emnor, but she's very, very good. So please, please, please still watch the show because Rak of Aegis is really one of the best for me that I've done. It's really fun. I'm an Aegis fan. Ever since bata ako, mahilig akong bumirit. So, Aegis talaga ako, laking Aegis. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm taking forever to open this. Okay, I'm gonna rip this now because I cannot wait. I cannot wait anymore. Okay. Oh my gosh, how do I open this? Is there like a special way to open this? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open it from here. Okay, so anyway, going back to the show. I actually did not pass the first time I auditioned for Rak of Aegis. At sobrang na-depress ako. Kasi nga, sobrang Aegis fan ako. Tapos, I worked so hard to get in the show. And then, ayun, I didn't pass. I was able to watch the first run of Rak of Aegis. Ang saya-saya, sabi ko, oh my gosh, what I would give to be part of this show because I really, really love Aegis. And, nalaman ko from my friend na magkakaroon daw ng rerun. Gosh, wait. Okay. It's open. Okay, wait, sorry. Pause on Rak of Aegis. This is it. What do I have first? Okay, let's open this one. Oh my gosh, I think this is my light stick. Okay. Let's open my light stick. So anyway, I'm so excited. This is my first light stick, guys. So, bear with me. So again, going back to the story, meron daw rerun. And they were looking for, rewind. So there was, magkakaroon daw ng rerun. And then one time, I was driving home, may number na tumawag sa akin. Guys, huwag niyo to gawin. Oh my gosh, I cannot open it! Huwag niyo akong gagayahin, guys, because I answered the call while driving. Ayoko masira. Mommy, help. Ayun. So, I answered the call while I was driving. And it was someone named Pam from Beta. Parang, sabi niya na, Rak of Aegis was going to have a rerun. And then, they wanted to hear me sing again. Basically, parang callbacks. Or like, second audition. When we say callbacks in theater, it means second audition. Okay. So, may first auditions, may second audition. So, callbacks yon. And I can already see it, guys. I'm so excited. Like, I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Sorry, guys. Hello, my precious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna remove this. Oh my gosh. Ang babaw ko, guys. First merchandise ko to ever in my life. Am I gonna turn it on? I don't wanna turn it on. I'm not gonna turn it on. Sayang battery. But I have my first light. I'm gonna put it. Okay, maybe here first for now. So stay there. Okay, next thing that I bought, I also bought another light stick. This is the foam light stick, I think. Anyway, so going back to my story, ayun nga, may second callbacks yung Rak of Aegis. And then, as in, pagkababa ng call ni Ate Pam, I had to park the car. Kasi naiyak talaga ako na parang, oh my gosh, may second chance ako to get in the show. Tapos naisabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, you know what? We gotta go up. Wow! We gotta go up agad-agad, charot. I really worked hard to get in, like, the second time. Oh my gosh, gusto ko siyang hatakin na lang. Pwede ba yun? I want to open you. Naiyak. Oh my gosh, there it is. Guys, get in the zone. Break. Oh my gosh. Ang babaw ko, guys. Foam lang siya, by the way. Pero may ilaw to. Ayoko siyang buksan kasi sayang. As usual, tipid si Teacher Abby. So, ilalagay ko na siya dito kasi, oh my gosh. Yan, dyan na siya. Get in the zone. Break. I'm so happy. You guys have no idea. Okay. Next item. Okay. It's the CD, guys. I'm so excited. Meron akong CD player na binigay ng daddy ko. I think he gave it to me when I was siguro mga 12 years old or a bit. No, not even. I think I was 10. Maybe I was 10 years old when he gave it to me. And it still works, guys. So I'm going to keep playing this on loop on my CD player. It's a big boombox that I got years ago, and I'm already 30. So it's been 20 years. And that boombox is still... Oh my gosh, ang babaw ng buhay ko. So happy. You guys have no idea. Mahilig ako sa merchandise, guys. Ang babaw ng buhay ko. So, this is their CD, the Get in the Zone. Gits. Nox Gits. SB19. First album. For sure, I'm buying all their albums. But, oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna put this here first. For now, stay there. Okay, next thing that is here. Oh, here. They have stickers! So, stickers of the boys. Hindi ko alam kung nagagawin ko sa stickers. Most probably, didikit ko sila kasi or ilalagay ko lang sa wall ko. By the way, my wall has my show posters. So, actually one lang pala, my show poster because the others are hidden. So, the show poster that's up on my wall is the Bridges of Madison County. Yes, wala lang. Share. So, anyway, going back to my Rak Of Aegis story. Ayun, I passed the second time I had the auditions, and that's where my journey started. Charot. Okay, next thing that's here. Ooh, fans. Dami ko namang fan. 3 talaga. Ang gagawin ko dito? You know what? Since there are 3, let's do a giveaway. I'm gonna do, wow, napaka-feeling. I'm gonna do my very first giveaway. I will give away 2 fans. Sige, oh my gosh, I'll be giving away these fans to 2 lucky winners who follow me on Instagram at Abigail Sulit, look for my Tila Luha cover, and comment down, tag 2 friends on my Tila Luha cover. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe also in my channel. So yun, follow me on Instagram and just tag 2 friends on my Tila Luha video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So I will be giving away 2 fans to 2 lucky winners. Yay! Because I have 3 and I don't need 3, I only need 1. Alright, so if you want to win fans, why not? If you're a fan like me, if you're 80, and why not? So yes. And the last thing that's here is, so I bought a mask. Because it's very timely, we need this. I bought a mask. So it's Get in the Zone. I don't know if you can see it. If it's focusing, I hope it's focusing. SB19. So I bought all of these in Lazada. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use this. This is very useful. Oh, diba guys? Kahit wala akong ilong. Charot. Don't copy me. You should wash it first. But I'm gonna wear it. Oh my gosh. It fits perfectly. Like, I have big ears. Tago natin tenga ko. But OMG, I love this. You guys should get one too. I hope you can hear me. You guys should get one too. It fits perfectly on my face. This is the first, as in, no joke, no bias. This is the first face mask. Syempre, nalagyan ko ng makeup. Pero, huhugasan ko naman siya, guys. Okay, magalala. This is the first face mask. Don't copy me also. You're supposed to clean it before you wear it. Parang hindi nag-med school, no? Anyway, this is the first face mask that actually fits my face very well. Kasi pango ako, guys. But yes, so that's it. That's all I bought. I want to buy other things. Maybe I will if if you want me to unbox other things. Why not? Comment below, diba? I mean, I would love to chat with you guys about theater while unboxing merchandise from my favorite group, which is SB19. Yeah, so if you haven't already, please make sure to follow me on my socials. You know, my Instagram. If you want to win the fan, please follow me on Instagram and tag 2 friends on my Tila Luha cover. Make sure to also like the video. So that's it. And you can also follow me here if you haven't already. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post every Saturday, 8 p.m. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!